Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great. I'm your friend Robin and I'm back again with a new video. So guys, today I'm going to play our favorite game Mines on the site Focus Bet. So guys, every week, I used to put around 3 to 4 videos on my channel. So go watch this video and do like, share, subscribe and comment on this video. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start with our favorite game Mines. So guys, this is my balance. I'm going to start this with this amount, and today we are going to play with a bet amount of, let's put 3000. Let's play big today. We have lot of money. Let's play big. Okay, this box, third, center one. Okay, maybe this box, maybe this box. Open with star, don't with bomb. Today this site is so laggy. Okay, this one, maybe this one, maybe this one, this corner. Okay, this one, great, fine. This box, maybe this one. Open. Okay. No. Okay. Corner one, maybe the center one. Open with the star only. Okay, great. Fine. Look guys, we are making money here. What are you waiting for, guys? Come on this side, Focus Bet. It is really easy, and each one of you can make money in this game. You all know. Okay, maybe this one. Great, guys. Look, we are making money here. Open. Good, great. Maybe this one. Okay. Maybe this one. Open na. Please open. This corner. Okay. Fine for me. Great. Okay. Open this box. Guys, seriously, this site is very lagging today. Very laggy. Maybe some construction work is going on this side because new games are updating every day on this site. Open this box, please. Please. No bomb, star. I want only stars. Because your friend is a star. And I'm going to show you how to make money. So, stay with me. And we will make money together. One more. Maybe this one. Look guys, we are winning continuously. Today is definitely our day. Very simple, easy and fun loving game. Let's try the center one. Okay, look, 2x. Guys, what are you waiting for? I'm sure each one of you want money. And still you are not coming on this side. Please, please, please. Come on this side. Play games here. And get rich. Fine for me. Guys, look at our balance. Within few minutes. Okay. Maybe this box. Not like this, not like this, not like this. This. Maybe this one. Maybe the center one. Okay, this one. Maybe this one. Happy with this amount, 2.25x. Guys, friends, almost every round I am making money. Look. Guys, what are you waiting for? It is really easy. Some days are bad, I know. But today is my day. And I am making money here. Look, in this round I lose, but don't worry. Next round I will win. Fine, 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 fine. Don't be so overconfident. No, no, no. Fine. Okay. Maybe this one. Let's try the center one. Okay. Maybe this corner. One more, one more, one more. Maybe this one. Finger crossed. 8,000. Great. This one. Let's try some pattern. Okay. Center one. Pattern fail. Pattern fail. But guys, we are already in profit, so no need to worry. We'll make more money. Stay here. Open this box. Okay, maybe the center one. Great. Maybe this one. Look at our balance, guys. What are you waiting for? And the good thing about this site, you all know, I'm sure you all know, whatever amount you win, it will be updated here. And whenever you need money, go withdraw. Easy, simple process. Okay. No, 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 no. From 3 to 4 rounds we are losing continuously. Fine, 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 fine. Okay. Maybe this one. This one. Center one. Okay. This one. This one. Open this box. Maybe this one. This corner. Fine. For you guys, I will play around 2 more rounds. Okay, guys. No, 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 no. Not like this. Not like this. Okay. Okay. Maybe this. This. Look, guys, our balance. Okay, maybe center one. Maybe this one. Last one. Okay. Hope for the best. Hope for the best. Look, guys. Look here. Our balance. Any other site where you can make this much of amount after playing 10 to 15 minutes? I'm sure no. I'm definitely sure no. So guys, come here on this site, Focus Bet, best platform where you can make money and you can enjoy. So guys, that's all for today. I'm sure I'm going to see all of you guys next time. Till then, bye bye, and go to my previous video, check all the previous video, and do like, share, subscribe and comment also on this video. That's all for today. Bye bye.